You all to Qora Digital Cash. It's another beautiful Friday morning, and of course I must say a big thank you to you guys for joining me again today. And of course I saw all your messages, I saw all your results from yesterday's trade, which we had in the night, from the analysis we had in the night. And of course I'm really happy that you guys are really doing very well. Okay, today is another beautiful day, and we will continue from where we stopped in my last video, which is on boom and crash trading strategy part 3. Okay, we did that of the part 3 yesterday. If you have been missing this series of videos, then I will advise you to go back to the channel, because it's going to help you if you start from the part 1, part 2, and watch also the part 3. Today is going to be the part 4 of it, and it's going to be with a unique dimension. Okay, we will be looking at it from another angle, and of course you're going to love every bit of it. So I will advise you to stay tuned and watch the video to the end, so that you will understand every part of it. Okay, so that you will understand every part of it. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how to make some money for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, like I said, we've been looking at different trading strategy for trading boom and crash, and it's been so unique. So many people have been able to take advantage of the market. Okay, if you have this indicator and you've been following up with the trading tools, I'm very sure you should have made a lot of profit within this particular trend. Okay, you can see the downtrend started from here and it ended here. Okay, I'm very sure you would have made a lot of profit within that region. Okay, let me do the calculation so that we get to see how much you get to make at the end of the trend. Okay, this is about 83 candles, and all these happen through the night. Okay, this is about 83 candles, and if you should do your multiplication, 83 times 5, okay, that should be giving you over 400 minutes. Okay, over 400 minutes. Okay, and of course guys, with that, if you are making $1 per minute, that is about $400. If you are making $2 per minute, that is about $800. Okay, so that is what you would have made within this period. Okay, so that is how beautiful this is. Okay, so anyone can actually do this. All you need to do is just to understand the rudiments that is attached to this. Okay, once you understand the way it works, then you will be able to milk the market successfully for a very long time. And that is one of the beauty of you knowing how to trade this asset. Okay, like I always tell you, it is always important you know the trend of the market. Okay, that should be the first thing you should learn. If you don't know how to go about it, you can learn it. If you can't comprehend it easily, then you can get a trading tool that will help you to grab it easily. Here is a very good trading tool called 3M Trend Milker Indicator. It is a unique trading tool. It is a trend trading tool itself, because it follows the trend. You can see it went on a downtrend. You can see it kept on showing red and red flag around there, and within the region, that is when you are seeing more of a sell signal till the very end of it. Okay, so which means it is a good trend trading indicator, and within that region you can be rest assured that you're going to milk the market for a very long time. Okay, that's the first thing. The next thing you should be bothered about is your resistance and your support region, because your resistance and your support region will help you to know your entry point and your exit point, and that is why we have the arrow popping out to show us our entry point and our exit point. Okay, another thing you should be very careful about, which most trading tools will not even indicate, is that of the ranging period. This indicator will let you know that the market is about to range even before it starts ranging. A very good example is what happened right here. Even though this didn't range for a very long time, but it will have given you signal somewhere around there before it starts ranging, so you can just close your trade around here while you get the signal. So once it is done with the ranging, then you can come in again around them. And another good example is here before it starts going into an uptrend, before it started the uptrend. Okay, and it will have given you a signal somewhere around here, so definitely you will have closed your trade at that point before the market will start ranging and before it will now go into a buy trend. Okay, all these are very, very important. Once you are able to put all these into place, then definitely you would be able to milk the market for a very long time. Okay, that is very, very important. So quickly, let me share with you this simple strategy which you can use to trade this asset successfully. Okay, okay, before I share the strategy, okay, another thing you should take note of is your lot size. Okay, your lot size should be reasonable enough for your capital to control. Okay, if your lot size is not reasonable enough, then definitely there are going to be pullbacks in between. Whenever there is, you are in a particular trend, you always have a pullback. So if your capital is not strong enough, it can affect, you can be affected, or your capital can be affected negatively if you are within a pullback. Okay, so that is why it is very, very important you have a reasonable lot size. So quickly, let's see what we can do with this. Okay, let me quickly change the color of this to white. Okay, to white. Okay, then let me bring this down and take this up. Okay, this is our entry point. Okay, this is already at the resistance zone, and like I said, for you to sell, it should start from the resistance zone. Okay, and right here we got our sell signal, so definitely you can come in around there. This is our entry point, guys. This is our entry point. Okay, so I'm going to be bringing in another horizontal line so that we get to see what we are doing, and this one I will change the color into a blue color. Okay, sorry. Okay, let me do that again. I just want to change the color. What's happening? Okay, come on. Okay, aqua blue. I think this is it. Okay guys, okay, this is good. So this is what we're trying to do, guys. This strategy is so simple because I want to see how you can build your confidence within the market so that you will be able to make some good profit. Stay within the market to make some good profit for yourself. Of course, if you understand the way this indicator works, then definitely you have no issue at all. All you just need to do is just to follow the signal that supports the trend. Okay, and make sure if you are selling, it's coming from the resistance zone, then follow the sell signal for it. Okay, and use a reasonable lot size. That way you will be able to milk the market successfully for yourself. So let's do it from here. Okay, let's say this is your entry point and you've come in, your white line is your entry point and the blue line is taken up from the white line, which is the current action price, and it has gone down to this region. Okay, it pulled back up, then went back down again and down again. Okay, this is what I want you to do, guys. This is what I want you to do. I want you to divide from your entry point to where the current action price is, divide it into two equal parts and input a stop loss there. Okay, yeah, this is going to stand as the stop loss. Okay, you fix in a stop loss there. I know the spike does not respect stop loss, but this is what it's going to do. Let's say this has not gone too far, and let's say it is at this point. Okay, remember, first of all, let your chart be on 5-minute time frame. Okay, because that's with that a single spike will not affect the whole of the 5-minute candle. Okay, I mean, will not take the whole of the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so that is very, very important. But notwithstanding, let's say this candle is as a result of a single spike. Okay, this is what will happen. This is what will happen. The spike happened and it got to your stop loss. What will happen is it's going to push your stop loss backward till the end of the spike. This is the end of the spike, and it will close your trade for you. If any spike should happen again, you won't be in the market, but this profit, the profit between here and where the spike stop, will go straight to your balance, which is still something reasonable. Instead of you losing it all, you are still getting some part of the profit in your balance. And if any spike should, let's say another spike happened again and it goes beyond your entry point, you won't be in the market again, so you won't be you won't be the one losing at this point. Okay, because you are no longer in the market. You've outgrown that level. You've already secured that profit for yourself, and the profit is already in your balance. That is one beautiful thing about you using that stop loss. Okay, for now, it has gotten to this region and there is no spike. This keeps on going down and down and down. All you need to do is just to adjust your stop loss to the middle. At this stage, instead of you leaving it at the middle, okay, you can take it a bit further so that you have more profits locked up for yourself than the one you are exposing in the market. Okay, because the market is getting wider at that particular point. Okay, so this goes down again, and of course you adjust your stop loss again to somewhere here. You can see more profit are being saved, kept aside for yourself. Okay, so this is one unique strategy which you can use over and over again. Okay, so this came down to this level. Of course, at this stage, the market should be ranging, the indicator will have notified that the market is about to range, so you can close your trade at this range. But let's say it didn't notify. Okay, let's say we were not notified. Just adjust your stop loss to somewhere here. Okay, at this stage, you are doing good. This got to this region. Okay, let's say it got to this region, and you adjust your stop loss to somewhere here. And when immediately it got to this place, it spiked up, and let's say this spike is a single spike that got it to this region. Okay, so what it's going to do is just going to push the stop loss backward to this level, and it will close the trade for you. And at this stage, check out this profit, the profit between here, your entry point, and here we go straight into your balance. That is one beautiful thing about it. It will go straight into your balance. Okay, you're going to love this strategy. So all you just need to do is just to make sure you understand the way it works. Once you know how it works, practice and perfect it so that you will be able to use it for a very long time, to secure your profit for a very long time. Okay, at this you will always have something going back to your balance. It is a unique strategy that can help you to make profit all the time. The first thing is know the trend. Okay, the second thing is follow the signal that supports the trend. So you must know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, then the third thing is you should use the right lot size. Okay, you should use the right lot size that your capital can control. Then the last thing is introduce the stop loss to the middle.